Hello, it's me again, Romeo Ihares from Butuan City, Philippines, 12 batch manager of MMM. So today, this is my video of happiness because few hours ago I request to get help with the amount of 4,000 pesos, and today uh, I would like to thank some of these participants of MMM, those people who provided me uh, help with the said amount, the 4,000 pesos po. So these are the guys uh, who, who give me the assistance of my requested help. So thank you, Maizen, for your 1,300 pesos, RMG of 1,700 pesos, and Sibido Samuel of his 1,000 pesos, a total of 4,000 pesos. So thank you guys, and may God bless you. And again, to all people uh, out there, again, I encourage you to join MMM because this system is very wonderful to our community. So thank you guys, and together we can change the world. Bye bye.